What's up, everybody? It's Pastor Dre. Today, I'm going to give you 5 benefits of why your church needs Google My Business. So keep it locked. All right, family, here is benefit number 1. You show up on Google Search and Google Maps. That's right. When someone searches for your church or churches near them in a specific city, your listing can show up right on Google Search and Google Maps. Now, here's why it matters. New visitors can find you easily, even if your website is not ranking in Google. That's powerful stuff. All right, family, here's benefit number 2. You can share your service times and important information. You can list your service times, your address, your church address, your contact information, and even your website link once your website is ready, if you don't have one, all in your Google My Business profile. Why does this matter? This keeps people informed without them needing to dig for your church information. That's good stuff right there. Let's go to benefit number 3. You can post events, announcements, and sermons. A lot of churches don't have their free Google My Business profile. I'm giving you 5 reasons. Hopefully, I'll convince you today to set it up for free. Okay, benefit number 3, you can post events, revivals, discipleship, seminars, announcements, and sermons. Google My Business post, they have a post section. Google My Business post to share updates. You can use Google My Business post, kind of like a blog, to share updates like Sunday service topics, youth nights, special events, revivals, whatever you got going on. Why does it matter? It's like having a mini social media platform right on Google. I'm telling you, it's powerful. All right, benefit number 4, you build trust with reviews. Did you know people can leave reviews about your church on Google My Business? That's right. And there's a benefit. Members and visitors can leave positive reviews, helping others feel confident visiting your church. It'll be cool. Sunday morning, you go up there and say, hey, church, want you to do us a favor. Stop by our Google My Business profile and leave a review. That's cool. So you can encourage your congregation to do that, maybe every Sunday, maybe every other Sunday, maybe once a month. You can even say, scan this QR code to leave a review. The more reviews you get, the better. And I'm pretty sure the people in your church are going to leave a positive review. So that will start you off with some good 5-star reviews. All right. Why does it matter? Word of mouth online builds credibility, especially for new people in your area. I'm sure you've probably done it, right? Looking for a restaurant, looking for something to eat, looking for a place to go, and you check out the reviews. You're like, that one doesn't have too many reviews that are too good, but this one has good reviews. So maybe you went with the one with the good reviews. Maybe you even are buying a product online and you looked at the reviews first. Come on, somebody. Well, people do that with churches. But the cool thing about it is we can get our congregation to leave reviews. Powerful. You could even tell your first timers, like newcomers that come to your church. Also, if you don't mind leaving us a review on Google, if you enjoyed the service today, please leave us a review. Okay. And not everybody's going to leave a positive review, but you can ask them to leave a review if they enjoyed the service. There could be a QR code that they can scan to leave their review. So there's so many things you can do to get reviews on your Google My Business. Why does it matter? Like I said, word of mouth online builds credibility, especially for new people in the area. So there might be someone looking for a church. You have a Google My Business. You show up, they see 5-star reviews, they check out the church. All right, benefit number 5, you can track how people find you. This is called data-driven decisions. Check this out. The benefit of Google My Business, it gives you simple insights, like how many people searched for your church, clicked for directions, or visited your website. You can get all that information from Google My Business. Now, that's a whole other topic I don't have time to go into today. It's powerful. You can make data-driven decisions on that. You can see what keyword brought them to your Google My Business profile. You can see how many people click for directions. You can see how many people called you. You can see how many people visited your church website. It's powerful. Why does it matter? You can learn what's working and where to improve. No tech degree required. It doesn't take a lot of technical skills to do this. Number one, it's free. And number one, Google lists everything for you. So once you get the hang of it, you just go into your account, log in, and Click the word insights and it'll show you everything. So there's not even no technical skills that are required. And this is some powerful data because then you can start making decisions on what's working and you can amplify that in your social media, blog posts, so many things you can do with that. If you want to learn more, I invite you to join me for my masterclass. That's right, my live masterclass, Tuesdays, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You can register now for free at www.webinar.echurchdigital.com. It doesn't say www on the slide here. You can just go straight to webinar.echurchdigital.com and I can answer questions, any topic that you want to talk about, SEO, digital marketing for your church website, how to design a church website, how to get more visitors to your church website. Did you know you can grow your church through your website? Yes, you can. Don't forget to like, follow, share, subscribe, however you want to do it. Share the video with someone that you know will be blessed by this video. God bless.